So we're now just applying element, back and forth, that's it. And Danny, would you hold that for me? Oh, you're such a wonderful assistant. And we're going in with the straight side of the brush, we're just going into our S01, and we just really want to just get just shade it in a little bit, because Danny likes it nice and natural. Don't you, darling?
I do.
And I want to just really show you what we can do with this brow. Just in a couple of seconds. Now if I want to work a little bit more on it and I want to build it a little bit more with the TrueBrow Collection, I easily can do that. And just work on the hair and the skin at the same time. This is what gives it its beauty, and you can make the brow so much thicker. You can see how I've done that. That's taken probably 30 seconds if I was going to sit and actually calculate the time. And I don't have to do anything. God, I'm good, aren't I?
So for those busy mums out there,
yeah, that is exactly right. Would
under 60 seconds.
Go ahead, Danny. Go on. Talk about it. Tell us all about it. What do you think?
So in the mornings when I get my children off to school, this simply takes under 60 seconds to just apply. And I'd rather do that than get the microblading that Elle advised.
Not to
it's
do.
It's not recommended.
Well, you don't want orange brows, do you?
No.
Green.
Or green.
Purple. Certainly don't want
or
any
angry
scarring.
eyes.
Yeah.
Or Frida.
Don't want any of that. So we want to look natural, and we want our brows to look fuller though. So even though we're in restoring your brow, and what did you tell me in the beginning when you came, that your brows didn't grow, didn't you?
Never grew. So since the age of 21, when it got waxed to the fine hairline, which was just one jawline.
You're assisting me again.
You're
not going to move there, are you?
Said to Elle, I've never ever seen my eyebrows grow back. But I'm here as testimony, and with Elle's philosophy about beauty is within, that somehow miraculously our eyebrows do grow back. So it's been amazing to watch.
And it doesn't necessarily, the whole idea of the brow growing back is kind of like a little bit of a, it's not so much that we're saying it grows back, we're saying that we know how to work with the brow to fill it again.
Yeah.
And to give it back its glory. Whereas sadly, if the therapist doesn't understand that, everything we're using, everything we're doing to make the brow fuller and to bring back its body
true
again,
beauty.
its true beauty, they are removing. And that's just purely because of an educational side. They're beautiful people. I love beauty therapists. They're the love of my life. I love them. These women, they give so much to women around the world. They're givers, that's for sure. But if they don't have the education, they're sadly going to remove the hair that they've been removing.
Which is what happened to me.
Yeah. So if you have a look now, I want to get a mirror for Danny just so she can have a look at what we've done. We haven't just restored it or used all the appropriate hairs. We've designed the brow too. So you can see that fullness, can't you, that you've got there, that when you came in you definitely did not have.
No, I had these when I was 16.
And so we're still working on your brow. This
Yeah.
is really an ongoing process. We're going to keep working on the brow, keep building the brow in very, very subtle ways so that as Danny comes back, she's going to have more brow than she's ever had before. I mean, have you ever had as much brow as that?
Never. I can put a little before and after one. I found it.
Love it. I've got one of you too
steps.
that I found, and we should do that because this is just incredible. This is using S01, and
nice
loving this new look, Danny. New look. I adore it.
My Elle Naturelle Snow White.
I love that.
I was just over dyeing my
all
hair.
love it. And you know what? It looks so beautiful. So why wouldn't you do it? It's amazing. This is really you being you being naturally beautiful with your brows, your hair. We love you.
We love you.
And we love you. And we love you, but you can't see me because I'm hiding today.
But thank you so much. I can't wait to share more.
Beautiful. Thank you, everybody.